In this video today, I'll be telling you how to fill the IMM 5645E family information form. Very important to your either work permit, study permit, or visitor's visa application to Canada. Whichever of the applications you want to do, as long as it pertains to IRCC, you need to fill the family information form and you need to do it well. Why you need to watch this video is because I will show you how to insert your signature. Very important. So let's go into the video as you watch my screen and how I did it from the beginning to the ending. So like, subscribe, hit the notification button, ask any question you want, and let's get on the journey. Thank you. One of you is the family information form. You have the option to click either you're a visitor or a worker or a student, or others. So the form is divided into three sections: Section A, Section B, and Section C. Section A has to do with the information of the applicant, the father, the mother, and the spouse or common law partner. So we are starting with our Section A. I'm assuming my name is John. I'm choosing my marital status. I click here: single, married, divorced, legally separated, common law partner. You have a whole lot of options. Just click anyone that best describes your current situation. And then each section has 5 columns. The first column collects information about your name. The next one is relationship. The third column is date of birth, starting with your year. You put it in the format. You see it year, month, and date. So then the next is your present address. That's the 4th column. And the 5th column is will accompany you to Canada, yes or no. It's talking about your dependents, right? So right now I'm filling information of the principal applicant, and I'm putting country, the date of birth, country of birth. I'm putting a present occupation, lawyer. I'll put the address. And that's how I'll keep going and filling the other aspects of the form. So it's self-explanatory, but stick to the end so that you see how you add your signature, the signature that you signed on a piece of paper or on any document, and you now imported it into this form. You can import your signature into this form. I'll show you how to do that from signature that you already scanned into your system. And the only way you can fill this form is through the Adobe Acrobat Reader. The Adobe Acrobat Reader. You cannot fill this form using your phone. You can only fill this form using your system. So you must have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed. You will see the link to install Adobe Acrobat Reader in the description box. So right now I'm filling the information of my spouse or common law partner. I put her name, put marital status, put date of birth, I'll put the country of birth, I'll put her address, present occupation, and if she's accompanying the person or not, you put yes or no. Like I said, watch till the end so that you can see how I added the signature for all the other sections. Then let me be quick to warn that when filling this form, put the information of the family members you have, the ones you have their birth certificate, the ones you have their ID cards. You might have 10 brothers. You don't have opportunity of putting them. You might have 20 children. You don't have opportunity of putting all of them. Just put the ones that you have their information. Select a handful that you have all their informations, and you can show that they are linked to you. Because for children, you can put either your biological children, your adopted children, and whatever it is. If you're adopting children, you must show legal document that shows that you are the legal custodians or guardians of the children. So I'm putting in information of my mother,
click on marital status, married or divorced. I put divorced. Put the name. Will accompany you to Canada? I said no. For spouse, I click yes. So you can see the informations. They are there. So this is the column where, like I said, will accompany you to Canada. Yes or no. Click no for everyone who is not accompanying you, and click yes for everyone who is accompanying you, because some people might want their spouse and their children to accompany them. So your job is just to click yes or no. So let's fast forward. Let's just watch how I fill the remaining information. You can see it is just a repetition of the same processes above. It's just for you to click and type where you need to type. Click the drop down menu where you need to click the drop down menu so that you choose the option that best fits. So we'll soon get into the place where I'll put my signature and I'll show you how to do it. Alright. Once again, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and share for somebody to get value. Then if you have any question, please make sure you comment and let me know in the comment section. I'll answer you the best possible way that I can. I'll show you the best possible way that I can. I'm still filling the information. They are self-explanatory. As you are watching them, you can just repeat the same thing and do it your own way. And do it not your own way, the way I did it. So I'm copying the address now because I'm assuming that everybody is staying the same address with me, so there's no need typing. Again, you can actually copy and then paste. Using your normal Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V, the traditional section. So this is the signatures part. You want to put signature, you see now, you go to this place, click. When you put your mouse, you see add your signature. So I already had the signature before, but I'll cancel it and then click add. I'll cancel and click add so I can add a new signature. You can either draw your signature, type your signature, or add an image. Let's try the typing option. Then we are going for the added image option so that we can actually put our real signatures. So it will be floating. You just go to the signature where the portion provided for signature and you click it, and that's all. When you click it, then you click somewhere outside so that the box will come out. Let this section be for children, sons and daughters, adopted and stepchildren, regardless of age or place of birth or place of residence. So I'm just going to put one information of his son, John Doe, single, what's the relationship? Son. If he's a daughter, put daughter. So keep putting your information. I pasted it, occupation student. Then will you accompany me? Yes. I don't need to fill these informations again, we'll just go straight. So we'll now go to signature again. Because we have added signature before, it will just show there. So we don't need to click plus sign or cancel, we'll just click it and then go to the place where we want to put it and click. That's how we do again for the other section. We do for the other section. So Watch, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let people know that this is what's that you got value from this video. So share it, and until I come your way again, keep enjoying yourself, and thank you.